as many people may have heard, has been a big thing in the news lately. It's gone quasi-viral, at least in the gun and Second Amendment community. There are a number of locations throughout Alabama and Oklahoma where there are ammunition vending machines in place. With that being said, we are here at the Super C Mart in Noble, Oklahoma, the location of one of these machines by American Rounds. That's the company that manufactures them. So we're going to go inside and check it out. Use chip reader. Vacuum cleaner sounds. And there we go. 50 rounds, 230 grain, 45 ACP. And I guess that's it.